Firstly, you need to prepare 2 mobile devices. Please download TokenPocket from the official website. Keep the offline device disconnected from the internet, while the Watch Wallet device can remain connected. Create Cold Wallet. With the offline device, follow the guided process in this video to complete the Cold Wallet creation. Do not share your private key or secret recovery phrase with anyone. Import Watch Wallet. Tap the QR code icon on the Assets page to obtain the wallet address for the Cold Wallet. Open TokenPocket Wallet on the internet-connected device. Tap I have a wallet, select the network for importing the Watch Wallet, and use the QR code at the top right to scan the wallet address and complete the import process. Use Guide for Cold Wallet and Watch Wallet. After generating a transfer or swap order in the Watch Wallet, you will receive a dynamic QR code. Open the Cold Wallet. Click on Scan to sign, review the transaction details, and tap Confirm Payment to complete the Cold Wallet signing process. After the Cold Wallet signs, a dynamic QR code will be generated. Open the Watch Wallet, tap Scan Signed QR Code, obtain the signature information by scanning the QR code, and successfully send the transaction information to the blockchain. Completion of transaction. Once the transaction information is successfully sent, it will be confirmed on the blockchain and the transaction will be completed.